Well, we got good news on the truck. Axle's not broke for the driver's side. Axle's not broke for the passenger side. The splines are a little twisty, but it's not broke. With that being said, the next culprit is that monster. So let's see what we can get figured out on that. This is not really what we wanted to be doing today, but it's gotta be done. So here we go. Let's go one more side. One more bolt and that's it. Nut back on there. Hopefully we can whack this a couple times and get it off. Oh yeah, she's moving. There's one side's out. Now to get this side out. There we go. I'm just gonna set that down. This little girl's pretty rusty underneath. She's been through a war. We have not been nice to it. By no means. "20 years of beating the snot out of this truck." There we go. Last time we broke this truck, we broke the transmission at the Zip Tie Drags, Norwalk, Ohio. Must have been locked on that thing. It's going easier now.
You're up against the rear end, so.
Perfect. Boy, that park brake thing's in the way. Where we gotta go? Oh, we gotta go up another 16 inches. There we go. It's in there. Let's get a bolt on this thing. I would feel much safer. Two more of these bad boys. Well, do we let the... Don't feel no chunks yet. It's coming though. And these bastards are heavy. Alright. Time to make a mess. Do we just bear hug it? Or do we try to use that jacky thing? I think that jack is going to cause more problems than good. And there's no clean way to do these. Well, I'm sure somebody has a clean way, but I don't. So flop it on the ground. It's already broke. So we ain't hurting nothing. We got chunkage. Oh yeah. There's a good old piece. I don't know if it's a spider gear, the ring gear, or what, but we're about to find out. Shove that out. Get the pan back under here. Oh, ho, ho. It's cold and full of chunks. Lots of chunkage. Man. Oh man. Definitely tore up the spider gears. If you look right there, you can see busted up spider gears. Up here, we have another one. Right there. So let's dig it out and see if it's the same. There we go. What can we put on this? Let's put a little oil on this thing. Alright, let's give it a couple ooga doogas. There, now she's tight. Let's try to get that out. I don't know why that's so stuck. I guess it ain't, it just has to be wiggled just right. Alright. Well, we're gonna climb inside, back underneath, clean that up, come out here, clean this one up, put the new gasket on it, call it a day. Burnouts are fun, they say. Destroying stuff is fun, they say. It's funny, the people that say that are never around when it's time to fix the carnage. They're always busy. But boy, they love to watch you tear stuff up. Alright, let's get back under here, see if we can get this thing cleaned up some and get her shoved back together. I always try not to tear up on this truck, I don't know why. It's one of my favorite body styles and I just like it. But just like anybody else, I guess, you could never resist the temptation. Especially if you're in an old Ford truck. Squeeze in the juice. Make a hell of a mess. Okay. Maybe she's gonna need 4. I don't know how many this thing uses. It's running out pretty good now. Wow. We might have to get a 4th quart and put in this thing. I guess so. There we go. Let's put the wheels on and see what this turkey does. Woo! She's down on the ground. Let's see if we can back her out. We still have to find the other washer for this wheel. But if it moves, we're ahead of the game. If it don't move, we're in trouble. We gotta find a washer, double check our lug nuts, and it's good. Let's get a flashlight. I think that washer's under this panel truck. Here goes the ride home. Let's see how she does. So far, so good. There goes the Amazon guy. I don't hear no strange noises or nothing. No howling. This is our little test drive. And banging or nothing. So far, so good. Well, we got her back together. I don't know why, but this old 79 Ford truck is my favorite car. People that know me and my wife, we have a lot of cars. 10 or 11, I don't even keep track anymore. But when this one's broke, I'm in a bad mood, I'm angry, it's back. I even sold this truck once and bought it back. I don't know why, but this is my favorite vehicle we own. It's probably in the worst condition, but it's the best truck. And I would drive this thing anywhere. Someday I'll redo it and make it perfect. And hopefully that's coming soon. If you like and subscribe to Side Money Garage, you might get to see that. Well, I'm going to head on home and let the wife know it's working. See what happens. Wish us luck.